Hi, I'm Jenny Atkinson. Welcome to Littlescribe. Today I'm going to show you how to access the live links for the Mini-Writing Festival. Go to the login, use your teacher account that's been set up, log in like this, and you'll land in what we call the teacher dashboard. And you're looking for the Mini-Writing Festival on the left-hand side. Tap that and you go to the dashboard with all of the links. As you're aware, we've got 3 different series of events from early morning, mid-morning, and late afternoon. What you need to do is literally tap the live workshop resources, this pink button here, and you can see that we've now opened up all the links for both the Zoom, YouTube, and for you to submit questions to the authors. I'm just going to take you back to show you that again. If you're in the middle tier and looking at most of those festival events, again, just simply tap the blue live workshop resources and you'll see that you've got access to all 15 of the workshops. What's the difference between the Zoom and the YouTube link? The Zoom is in for classroom use and YouTube has been set up for students that are remote learning. You'll be responsible for sending those links to your students directly.